Hello everybody, it is Mr. Minor Financials here, coming at you with another video. In this video, I will be reviewing Print Profits, a complete step-by-step course on how to build a fully automated e-commerce business using nothing but print on demand. Now, I'm going to go over the product. Is it worth the money? How much money is it? And is there a better alternative out there for you to make money online? So be sure you stay tuned until the very end because I'm going to go through all of that. Now, what is print on demand? Well, print on demand is a strategy that has been around for quite some time. I've done it. I've done videos on it. I've made money with it. The big problem is the margins aren't there. They have very slim margins, and most of the time you're not going to make a ton of money doing it unless you get insanely good at it, okay? Now, a couple years ago, 3-4 years ago, you could make great money doing it. That's when I was making great money doing it. But over time, the problem is with physical merchandise, the fact that someone has to ship it, it's not going to be you, it's going to be a different company because print on demand, the margins just are not there in my opinion. And because of that, it's not super scalable. Generally, the big strategy here is to try and sell a couple products a day. Hopefully you're making $10 a product. And even that would be a good profit for print on demand, because I know even when I was doing it, I was not making $10 a profit. I was selling a couple products a day, usually averaging about $5 profit per product after marketing. And it's a business model that's kind of on its way out. It does still work. It'll always be here, but it will never be as popular as it once was. So firstly, let me read some of this. Print Profits is a comprehensive 8-part video course for you to get everything you need quickly and easily launch your own print-on-demand business using our proven 3-step process: design, product, and traffic. Print on demand works for whatever niche you're in. You can create and sell any custom product that ranges from apparel, jewelries to home decor. Print on demand is so powerful because there is no inventory needed. You just literally print your product on demand based on what your customer wants. There's no such thing as competition because you're the first to launch the product and it's 100% unique to your brand. This part isn't really that true. I have a dispute with that. And you do not need to worry about fulfillment. Everything is taken care of via third-party providers. All you have to do is focus on selling. So you probably heard me mention I don't really agree with that. There's no competition. Print on demand, it's nothing but competition. It is always competitive. Any niche on print on demand, someone else is doing. And here's the reason why. The easier it is to do something, the more people who do it, and eventually the margins go down, typically. Now, overall, the product, or the course rather, I don't think is worth the money. How much money is it? You're probably wondering. It's $900. That is insane in my opinion. Guys, I don't know about you, but I would not pay $900 for this course because I could probably teach you a lot of this myself because I used to do this. And again, you're probably not even going to make enough money doing this to pay that back. I mean, maybe you make enough over the course of a year, $900 a year, but in my opinion, it's not worth that money. We go to the bottom, join Print Profits Day and receive the exact 3-step blueprint, access to the private community, indirect mentorship from Michael Se, and worldwide experts through live training to scale your unique e-commerce business. Now, you're probably wondering, what is drop shipping and how is that different from print on demand? So I'm going to explain the difference to you right now. Drop shipping, you build a website, you source from China, right? So what happens is you put on a product on your website, you drive some ads there. You use ads, you drive some traffic there. Someone buys your product, you go on to another website. Sometimes you could automate it. It really depends on how scaled you are. And then you go on that other website, you buy the product there, and you have it shipped to the first person. So basically what you're doing is you're kind of like a middleman in a sense. You know, you go and you list a computer speaker, right, on a website. On your website, you run some ads, someone goes on there, buys it. You don't have the computer speaker, but you go to a different website, you buy it, and you just put in their shipping address, and you pocket the difference. That's drop shipping. Print on demand is you basically pay an artist to get a design, you put it on a t-shirt, and when someone buys it, most people use Printful. That's what I used to use. They're probably the biggest one out there. And what happens is they're a third party, and when someone buys your design, they print it on a t-shirt and they ship it out. All right. Now, most of the time, if you're selling a $20 t-shirt, right, and after fees and after ads and after their price, because they have to make money too, Printful or whatever third party you're using, they have to, of course, make money. Everyone wants to make money. No one's going to do it for free. After all that, you're lucky to be making $3-4 a shirt. I mean, I'm serious. After, especially if you're running ads, if you have organic traffic, if you're a YouTuber or you have a blog, maybe print on demand's worth it if you have free traffic. But if you're doing paid traffic, I would not ever recommend doing print on demand in 2020 and beyond. A couple years ago, yes. Today, no. So once again, the product is about $900. You can break it up into 3 payments. I don't think it's worth that. Overall, I would give this a 3 out of 5 stars just because it teaches you everything it says it will teach you, but the business model itself is flawed. But don't worry, if you're still trying to make money online, if you're still, wondering how can I have a full-time income, you are in luck. I have a program linked in the description. This is a very important program. This will teach you how to build a 0 to 100 affiliate marketing business, your own business, no BS, no fluff. You control it. This will teach you how to build your own affiliate marketing business from home. You have people making $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, even $600 a day doing this. And all you have to do is grab the course linked in the description. It's a very affordable course. It comes nowhere near $900 like the PrintProfits course. Very affordable. It's taught me everything I know. It'll teach you everything you know. You could really quit your job if you do the course and you start your own online business, because the amount of money some people are making on there is insane. I'm making very good money doing affiliate marketing. Check out the course linked in the description. You will not be disappointed. But yeah, guys, that's my review of PrintProfits. Overall, I don't think it's worth it, and I think the better alternative is linked in the description, because you will learn how to do affiliate marketing, and with that you could do it on digital products, which have way better margins. I'll do another video on that, why digital products are better to sell than physical products. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. I will catch you next time, and as always, have a great day.